everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 9th to the 13th of February 2026 on Monday. A devastating ruling forces the family to confront the meaning of justice. Victory tests bitter when another household is left in ruins. Then an unexpected invitation reaps open wounds that never healed on Tuesday. Grief pushes Tomega to the edge of faith and forgiveness. A conversation between two mothers exposes the true cost of protection. Meanwhile, Hlati is reminded that he still has a living child who needs him on Wednesday. Compassion sparks jealousy where grief already festers. All the enemies quietly realign with the dangerous intentions, and the sabotage backfires when love proves harder to break than control on Thursday. A super attack ignites a war no one saw coming. Zolega and Lazarus are forced to work with an unlikely ally to fight back. But while empires are defended, the family quietly falls apart on Friday. The battle reaches its peak as enemies finally fall. Families face irreversible choices about love, loss, and forgiveness. And as one chapter ends, a powerful new future begins. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.